Hi everybody, welcome back to FreshCo Graphics. Today, we'll talk about cozy Scandinavian bedroom ideas. Hopefully, the pictures presented will provide inspiration for all of you. Let's just get started. A cozy and inviting bedroom is essential for a good night's sleep, and a Scandinavian-style bedroom is the perfect place to unwind and relax after a long day. Scandinavian design is known for its simplicity, functionality, and warm, cozy atmosphere. In this video, we will explore some cozy Scandinavian bedroom ideas that will help you create a relaxing retreat in your own home. The first step to creating a cozy Scandinavian bedroom is to choose a soft and neutral color palette. Scandinavian design often features white or light-colored walls, which can make the room feel brighter and more spacious. You can add warmth to the space by incorporating natural wood elements, such as a wooden headboard or bedside table. Another important element of a cozy Scandinavian bedroom is the bedding. Choose soft and comfortable linens in neutral colors, such as white, beige, or gray. Layer your bedding with a cozy knit blanket or throw to add texture and warmth to the space. To complete the look, add a few decorative pillows in different shades and textures. Lighting is also crucial in a cozy Scandinavian bedroom. Natural light is always best, so choose window treatments that allow plenty of light to come in during the day. At night, use soft and warm lighting, such as table lamps or pendant lights. Avoid harsh overhead lighting, which can be too bright and distracting. To create a cozy and inviting atmosphere, add some personal touches to the room. Hang some artwork or photographs on the walls, or add some decorative objects on a shelf or dresser. Plants are also a great way to add some life and warmth to the space. One of the best things about a Scandinavian-style bedroom is its simplicity. Keep the room clutter-free and organized by using storage solutions, such as under-bed storage or a minimalist wardrobe. A tidy and organized space will help you feel more relaxed and calm. Finally, don't forget to add some cozy accessories to the room. A soft and plush rug is a great way to add warmth to the space and keep your feet cozy on cold mornings. Candles are also a great addition, providing a warm and relaxing ambiance to the room. In conclusion, a cozy Scandinavian-style bedroom is the perfect place to create a relaxing retreat in your own home. By incorporating soft and neutral colors, natural wood elements, cozy bedding, warm lighting, personal touches, and cozy accessories, you can create a peaceful and inviting space that will help you unwind and get a good night's sleep. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. I hope this video helps you to make a cozy Scandinavian bedroom ideas. Thank you.